my channel. Thank you so much for joining me. So today we're going to be doing a hairstyle, which is a little bit different to what I usually have. I ever done a hairstyle tutorial? I don't think I have, so this will be my first one. So we're basically doing some braids. So I want to be doing some braids here and here, and then putting it up as a ponytail, and in my head that looks really good. Like, I've been seeing people wearing this hairstyle on Instagram recently quite a lot, so I thought I would try to replicate it. To be honest, at this point I don't know if I want like one braid here and one braid here, or I want like two braids and then two braids. If you're interested to see how it turns out, then please keep watching. What we need to do first is part the hair in the middle, or at least wherever. I mean, you can part it on the side if you want, but in the middle makes the most logical sense. So I've already done that, so just grab a brush and make sure you get rid of the knots. Funny story on my brush. The end broke off, so I just hold it like this now because I'm poor and there's nothing wrong with the actual functioning part of the brush. So just basically a cheap ass. So regardless of whether you do one or two braids, we'll start off with one. So basically just want to take the chunk that's going to get braided, so like that. Just gonna put that here for now. Just get a bobby pin. It's faster than a hair tie because I'm literally just putting it here for 2 seconds. And then I want to grab this same amount of hair on the other side. So I just realized because I'm not doing makeup, I can actually wear my glasses. So fun fact about me, I'm blind. Just checking. Yeah, it's about the same on either side. I have a really annoying hairline, which makes like my life hard. I shouldn't say that. It's pretty poor reason to be complaining. So these are going to be my two braids to start with. Interesting fun fact, this side's shorter than that side. I don't know why, but anyway, I'm just going to grab the rest of my hair, just however, because we're going to do the ponytail properly later. So this is just to get out of my way. So what we're going to do now is, this is it guys. We are going to braid the hair. So you can see roughly I've taken the same kind of amount on either side. And you can braid it however you want. And what I mean by that is you can do French or Dutch. So basically the French is kind of like the braid sits underneath and the hair goes over, and the Dutch, like the hair goes under and the braid sits on top. Probably doesn't make sense. In fact, what I'm going to do is, this is kind of annoying, so I'm just going to pin that over, which kind of looks cute from the side. Yeah, that would be nice if you just literally just curled it and then put it in a bun. So I twisted it and I curled it. So here you would probably have more hair if it was you. I have this hairline that just goes back a lot. Ew, was that dandruff? Ew, that's so gross. Oh my god. It's so warm doing this. My arms have no muscles and they're really on fire. Which is sad because I haven't started. So we just divide it into 3. And probably if you're not like the best at doing a plait or a braid, go with bigger chunks to start with, because it's a lot easier than these tiny little pieces, is my advice. I am going to take the first part, go underneath, second part, underneath, just to kind of give it that start. Then I'm going to take a little bit and bring it in. I'm going to do the same thing here. Take a little bit and bring it in. And that's literally it. Sometimes it's a good idea to pull it all the way through, because in the past I've forgotten to do that, and essentially it just gets tangled and then it's really hard to undo. Okay, so now that I'm at the back and my arms are literally on fire, I just like to sometimes go a little bit extra, just so that if the end gets a bit loose, I still have a little bit of room before it actually matters. And then I'm just going to get a bobby pin and place that down. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to do the exact same thing on the other side. Okay, so that's the 2 done. See there? Being completely honest, I don't even want to do the other 2 because my arms hurt so much. This video, if anything else, has been a wake-up call to my arm strength, which is non-existent. So we just have to take out this one so that we can get the other 2 side bits again. So I think I'll just do one side bit at a time. I have the strength to actually make it through this braid. Okay, so now that we've got all that, essentially we just need to put a ponytail up. I'd rather pull at this point the bobby pins out as well, because the hair should all be going to the same kind of area. I feel like I've lost a bobby pin. That's alright too. So make sure the sides of my hair are up properly, because near the ear is where my glasses go. So challenges that not everyone has. So this is where I kind of like to lift the hair as well. I want it to kind of almost cover the part a little bit so it all looks a bit more put together and blended. Oh, I found the bobby pin. Oh no, it's going the other way. How do I get that out? No, don't ruin my ponytail. And at this point, if there's any braids that are coming through, you can unbraid them. It's going to put a bit of volume in the ponytail as well, which is totally optional. See there? And I'm going to grab a little piece from underneath. And usually I do this flat, but this time I think I'm going to twist it so it goes kind of together with the whole look. A bit more messy and, I don't know, cool. And just secure that with a bobby pin. And then a second one so it makes an X. And then of course feel free to hairspray as you need. So I totally filmed the rest of this video, and then because I'm going out I did my makeup. So I thought, why not show you guys the whole look kind of put together. I didn't end up, I was thinking of putting hairspray and then in the end, and I didn't. So I'll just show you kind of what it looks like because the hair was so much, I kind of, like, there was 2 options. There was one where you could do, like, I think a really cool kind of dark lip and go for a kind of vampy look. I don't know why, I think this look kind of lends it to it well with all the braids. But I decided to go with just kind of like a nude and keep the makeup simple to kind of like enhance the hair. So you can let me know what you would do. But yeah, I'll show you guys what it looks like here because I've got my light. So the 4 braids, you could literally do braids all down the side if you wanted. Like, you can just pick and choose. You could just do one on the side if you wanted. So yeah, that's it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. He's in the bathroom washing his hands, which is really annoying. I don't know if you guys can hear that, but I can hear it. You're making noise in my video.
I know. You're making video whilst I'm making noises. Your hair's wet, bro.
It's a hair tutorial.
Weird.
So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys enjoyed a hair tutorial and something a little bit different. If you did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I hope you guys have a great day, night, afternoon, whatever it may be, wherever you are. And until next time, bye.